I really
Thank you
liked
for-
the Winamp reference, which I know Andy
Yes.
mentioned on Twitter, but
It really kicks the lemons.
I
Awesome.
saw that and I was like, ooh, nice.
Yep. So please leave Bob feedback. If you go to the 8kb.online/feedback, click on his link session. Please let him know what was good, what was great, what was fantastic, and any other comments as well. And we'll be sending out all the feedback to the speakers after the event. So I'll leave that on the slide there for a little bit. And then next up we have Gail.
Woohoo. Yeah, I think the combination of the Winamp references and pictures of core memory. It's really digging deep.
Yeah, Bob, I think I'm in that data set too from when I lived in Chicago.
Oh, the tickets?
Yeah.
So when I would present that in Chicago, we would have people give us their license plates and we'd look them up.
That's a fun data set. I've never seen anybody present with data quite like that, so that's pretty cool.
So there is a question about the conference or the session being recorded. I'm going to point them to the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Right.
Yep. Absolutely.
Yeah, if you go to 8kb.online/streaming, it'll take you right to our YouTube channel.
Yeah, and or Mark mentioned earlier, the whole conference will be available immediately, and then over the next couple of days, we'll break it up into the individual sessions in the channel for you.
Yeah.
Last time we even had somebody, just a random YouTube watcher, put time markers on the video for us so you could skip around.
Oh, fantastic.
Thank you, community.
Yeah.
And it's sequelcommunity.slack.com. That's the Slack channel.
That's the Slack channel, yeah. If you want to sign up, you need to go to dbatools.io/Slack, and that'll take you to a sign-up page, because for some reason, the login page and the sign-up page for Slack are two completely different things.
Of course, because that makes sense.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so have we got Gail online?
Oh, she's there.
I've seen her typing.
I see her video.
I think she's frantically looking for a way to talk.
Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, usual Zoom issues that can occur. We've all had, me and Bob have had a couple of those this morning, so
just a few.
Yeah.
Couldn't even tell you were on your backup computer, Bob. That was pretty awesome.
Yeah, that really saved my bacon.
And kept you warm, right? Because, you know.
That's true, actually, yes.
You said it was between your legs. Were you literally on your backup computer? Were you sitting on it?
I didn't have the room to put it in the right spot between my desks, so it's literally just sitting in the middle here.
So Bob, your question, you had the question about, Joey helped clarify. It was if you could create a filtered index, right, on a non-clustered column store. That was one.
That one I have.
That might
I
have
will
been
have to
the Slack
look.
channel.
That I did look. I did look for you. You can, because I didn't know.
Oh,
yeah,
awesome.
you can.
Cool.
I don't know when, right? Joey and I were like, when would you do that? But
Yeah. So there's this mysterious use case that Microsoft Marketing talks about that I rarely run into called hybrid transactional and analytical processing. In the example they always use is like ticket sales. So where like you would want to be able to have really fast inserts on a regular table, and then report like from like an hour ago. But you kind of have to constantly be rebuilding the index. So like
that sounds messy.
It's not a scenario I've encountered in the real world.
Yeah.
And then Bob, the two other questions I think that you weren't sure about were partitions. Partitions have to be the same compression type in sys partitions to be able to be merged.
Okay.
And
Makes sense.
I think there was a transaction log question, and all compression shows up as row compression in the transaction log in terms of page and row. I don't remember about column store.
Cool. Thank you.
I don't know what else you guys are doing in the background today, but I'm working with bulk loads and format files. Does anybody want to change?
Actually, Aaron, do you want to swap? I'm marking grad homework.
Yes, I would love to mark grad homework. That sounds fabulous.
Well, there we go. There's Gail. Gail, you can grab the screen off me anytime.
Okay. So the problem with the microphone was the volume. The Zoom's automatic adjust the gain on the microphone doesn't work when you've got gains at 3 other places as well.
Yes.
That's what I get for using the Rode. Just to clarify, is this loud enough? Is this acceptable? Or do you want me to turn something up somewhere?
Yeah, you sound great.
You sound great. Because I'm working with the big mic tonight. I don't normally use this thing. Yeah, Aaron, if you saw the quality of some of the stuff I'm marking, you might take that back.
I just remember being in grad school and getting papers back with like red. Susan would just put red all over. And I'm like, oh.
The last team whose work I just marked, my comment to them was, did you read the question? How did you test your code? Did you test your code? This doesn't even run.
Would anybody want to take a class from Gail? What do you guys think?
Oh, hell no.
Oh,
come on.
I refuse.
Not that bad.
I would view it as a challenge. So, yeah.
No,
That's the right approach.
Yeah, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. There we go.
Thank you. I'll grab that. This is my my company's graduate training program. So this was not an advanced class. This started with, this is how you write a select statement, and got as advanced as cross-apply and procedures. This is basics. We assume they can't write code. We usually write. Anyway, I think I'm supposed to get started, so let's get straight into this. Good evening, everybody. Actually, do I have a moderator around here? Joey.
Yeah, it's me, Joey.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. So I introduce myself. Nobody does that for me.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Cool. I'm
really sorry. That was my bad. I'm going to let you. No,
One job,
please.
Andrew.
Yes, sorry, I'm dropping the ball here, Gail. I do apologize.